Dear students, I, Mr. Vishal Shah, Assistant Professor, Krishna Institute of Pharmacy, Karad, welcome you all to this another session on the effect of substituents on the reactivity of monosubstituted benzene. Now, in previous lecture, we have seen regarding the different electrophilic substitution reactions as well as the addition reaction of the benzene. In that case, we have seen benzene undergoes different electrophilic substitution reactions like nitration, halogenation, then sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts acylation and Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Now, if a monosubstituted benzene is there, depending upon the substitution that is present on that benzene ring, this monosubstituted benzene undergo these electrophilic substitution reactions at a different rate, different speed, and this change in the speed of the reaction or rate of reaction is due to the substitution that is present on the benzene ring and not due to the benzene ring. So here we are going to discuss the effect of substitution that is present on that benzene ring and how the reactivity changes accordingly if we place a different substitution on the benzene ring. So first we will see the learning outcomes. After this session, you will be able to explain the effect of substitutions on the monosubstituted benzene ring, then define the inductive effect, give different examples of the functional groups which shows the inductive effect, explain different types of the inductive effect. So these are the various learning outcomes of this session. So one by one see these, what are these effects and how the rate of reaction of this particular monosubstituted benzene changes when these substitutions are changed. Now we know that benzene undergo electrophilic substitution reaction. Already we have discussed which are these electrophilic substitution reactions. Say for example like the halogenation, then sulfonation, nitration, Friedel-Crafts acylation and alkylation. So likewise benzene, monosubstituted benzene also gives this reaction positive. These rings also undergo the electrophilic substitution reaction. Now some of the commonly found substitutions that are present on the benzene ring are hydroxyl group, that is the example is phenol, then amino group, example for example aniline or the amino compounds, alkyl, and so many different functional groups that are observed which are commonly present on the benzene ring. For example, you can see in these structures, here we can consider this is aniline, this is your phenol. Both these structures are considered as a monosubstituted benzene ring. So in introductory part we have seen what is the monosubstituted benzene ring. If one substitution is present on the benzene ring, that type of the ring is known as the monosubstituted benzene ring. Here, due to the presence of this substitution on the benzene ring, whatever the hydrogen atoms that are present on the benzene ring, they are not equivalent. So these two hydrogen atoms are equivalent, which is known as the ortho position. These two hydrogen atoms are equivalent. These positions are known as the meta position, and this next exactly opposite position as of your substitution is known as the para position. So when monosubstituted benzene compounds are there, then that type of the compounds consisting of two ortho position, two meta position and one para position. Here in phenol also These two adjacent positions are known as the ortho position. These two positions are known as the meta position, and these two positions are known as the para position. In the electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene, we have seen that the benzene is consisting of all the hydrogen atoms equivalent, due to which incoming electrophile consider that only one hydrogen atom is present, and that's why when electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene is carried out, we are getting the only monosubstituted benzene derivatives. Now, whatever these substitutions that are present, they are having a different effect on the reactivity of benzene. Means if amino functional group is there, and if we perform the electrophilic substitution reaction of this compound with the help of the certain electrophiles, the rate of reaction will be different as we compare the rate of reaction between this aniline and this phenol. And the whatever the difference in the rate of reaction of that particular compound is there, it is not controlled by the benzene, rather it is controlled by the hydroxyl group or the substitution that is present on the benzene ring. So these substitution have different effect on reactivity of benzene ring. For example, if a hydroxy or methoxy substitution is present on the benzene ring, it increases the rate of reaction about 10 to 1000 fold. Means if we compare the reactivity of benzene and the phenol, because hydroxyl group is present, phenol undergo electrophilic substitution reaction at a very rapid rate. It is about 10,000 fold as compared to the benzene ring. And if the certain substitutions like a nitro group, if they are present, this type of the substitution decreases the ring's activity by roughly a million. Means rate of reaction is decreased by about million times. Means if we change the substitution that is present on the benzene ring, we are getting the different rate of reaction, and this is controlled by that substitution. So we are going to see why this rate in the reaction of the substitutions is carried out. Now the whatever the change in the rate of reaction that is to be observed, this change is due to the electron donating or electron withdrawing influence of the substitution. Broadly, there are two different types of the substitutions. The substitutions which donate the electron to the benzene ring, and other type of the substitution which withdraw the electrons from the benzene ring. And due to this electron donating and electron withdrawing nature of the substitution, the rate of reaction is different. Now, electron donating substituent activate the benzene ring. Means what these substitutions will do, they will provide the electrons to the benzene ring, and due to which electrons that are present on the benzene ring, they increases. And as we know, electrophilic substitution reaction means what? Electrophile replaces the hydrogen atom of the benzene ring, and electrophiles are having a positive charge. And as these electron donating substituents activate the benzene ring by giving the electrons to the benzene ring, due to the net increase in the negative charge, electrophile which is positively charged, it is readily attracted towards the benzene ring, and due to which the rate of reaction increases. In opposite to that, if electron withdrawing substituent is present, it deactivates the ring. Withdrawing means what? It will withdraw the electrons from the benzene ring, and due to which what happens? The electrons that are present on the benzene ring, these electrons are decreased, and as electrons that are present on the benzene ring, they are decreased, due to which electrophile which is positively charged, this electrophile approaches very slowly because net negative charge is less. So this is the reason that due to the electron donating or electron withdrawing influence of the substituent, this rate of reaction changes. Means we have to consider the what is the effect of that substituent on the benzene ring, whether it is acting as electron donating or whether it is acting as electron withdrawing. Now this influence exerted by substituent is due to the interaction of two commonly known electronic effects, and these two commonly electronic effects are, one is inductive effect and other one is the resonance effect. First we will discuss what is the meaning of inductive effect. Now inductive effects are those that occur through the sigma system. We know there are two different types of the bonds. One is the sigma bond and pi bond. So when your functional group is consisting of the single bond, then that particular functional group exerts an inductive effect, because inductive effect is exerted through the sigma system. Now this effect is due to the difference in the electronegativity. If two atoms that are present, these two atoms, if they are having a different electronegativity, then this effect is generally produced. Now depending upon the nature, that is the either withdrawing or donating, the inductive effect is categorized under the two classes. One is electron withdrawing inductive effect and other one is the electron donating inductive effect. Now electron withdrawing inductive effect is observed when the substituent group that is present on the benzene ring, it is more electronegative than the hydrogen atom. For example, the nitrogen atom, then oxygen atom, carbon atom. If these substitutions that are present which are more electronegative than the hydrogen atom, then electron withdrawing inductive effect is observed, where sigma electrons are pulled away from the benzene ring. Withdrawing means what? The electrons that are present, they are pulled away from the benzene ring. Such a type of the inductive effect is known as the electron withdrawing inductive effect. Different functional groups which are responsible or which shows the electron withdrawing inductive effects are CF3, NR3, then nitrogen, oxygen and a halogen. All these groups are more electronegative as compared to the hydrogen atom. That's why they show electron withdrawing inductive effect. For example, you can see here this is your benzene ring, this is your X is nothing but the halogen. As these halogens are more electronegative as compared to this carbon and hydrogen atom, and we know that when there is a formation of covalent bond will takes place, the whatever covalent bond that is formed due to the sharing of the electron pair will lies towards the more electronegative atom. In this case, as halogen is more electronegative atom, whatever the electrons are there, they are more closer towards this halogen, and due to which the electrons that are present on the benzene ring, they are pulled towards this X, that is the halogen. That's why it is known as the electron withdrawing inductive effect. That's why with the help of the arrow it is shown that the electrons are pulled towards this X, that is the halogen. Then electron donating inductive effect, for example, it is exerted due to the methyl or any alkyl group, shows electron donating inductive effect, in which substituent group is less electronegative. For example, here you can see here CH3, because both the atoms are same, carbon and carbon, due to which what happens, this carbon atom is less electronegative as compared to this carbon atom, due to which it donate its electron towards the benzene ring. So such a type of the electron inductive effect is known as the electron donating inductive effect, where sigma electrons are pushed towards the benzene ring. Means here we have seen the inductive effect which is exerted to the sigma system, and there are two types. One is electron withdrawing, where this X is more electronegative, and if this CH3 or alkyl group is less electronegative, due to which it exerts the electron donating inductive effect. So this is about the inductive effect. Second electronic effect we will see in the next part. Thank you.